Hello everybody, welcome to Wellness Wednesday. I'm Lisa from Libra Aesthetics and Wellness, and tonight I'm doing an IPL treatment, and in fact I'm doing vessels on my patient's legs. So she's got those unsightly little vessels that she has outside of her leg. It makes her feel a little bit uncomfortable when she's wearing her shorts or in skirts, things of that nature. So today we're going to handle it with our IPL. So the natural light system has a couple of functions that I can perform, and it actually does vascular treatments. So I've already measured the vessels. They're larger than 3 millimeters, so they do qualify. One thing we have to remember about the vessels in the legs is they've got a lot of pressure in them. I mean, think about what they do all day long. So it does take a couple of treatments in order for you to really have the discoloration go away. Remember, what it's doing is actually ablating it. So it's just trying to take that blood. It's going to break down that melanin. It's going to break down the blood, and it's going to, your body's just going to absorb it. So the color on the top of your skin is actually going to go away. So I've been numbing my patient now for about 25 minutes with BLT cream. Anybody who knows that, it's benzocaine, lidocaine, tetracaine, and it works fantastic in order to try to keep your nerve endings at bay. So that's been going on. So now I'm just going to clean it off. And what we put on next is actually ultrasound gel. And the ultrasound gel is excellent for being a lubricant there. Also, it's cooling gel. So we keep it stored in the refrigerator normal times. And today is no different. We pulled it out from the refrigerator. I also have a couple of ice packs afterwards, after we complete the procedure. What I'm gonna do is rub that on, and my machine is set, and the way that the IPL machine works is through Fitzpatrick skin type. So I actually pick that, and that actually changes the bandwidth of the actual light beam that's gonna be going through. And you know, we're gonna get to it. So the application there, I do try to put it on about 1 millimeter thick. That way we've got a little bit of lubricant to go on. Anytime you do any kind of vessels, you actually do have to go over the area more than one time. It's unlike hair removal when you go in and you just get that quick zap on the actual hair bulb. So how you doing over there, patient? You doing okay?
Yes.
All right, so we've already equipped on. We've got our headgear. And our headgear is actually for our eyeballs because it is actual laser. So I do have to keep the door shut. I have signs everywhere showing that I've got laser in use in here just for safety's sake. So her safety's sake, you know, we did talk about the risk versus the benefit and how we can get a little light burn on your skin. Of course, discoloration is going to happen until her body eats it up. That process takes a couple of weeks. And then she'll come back in another month and get another treatment for it. So she's all prepped, she's ready. Our IPLs actually gets frost here on the crystal that's coming through. I don't know if you can see it there. It frosts right up. That way, whew, don't touch it, I'll get stuck to it, right? So I'm gonna perform the treatment. Like I said, I do have to have you step out of the room while I perform the laser function. She's got her safety goggles on. I have my safety goggles here, which I'm gonna wear. They're so fashionable. And then as soon as we're done, we'll let you take a look at the area afterwards. So you wanna zoom in on this area here. This is the pre, this is the before. And then after we get it, we'll show you the after. Welcome back. So, pardon me. We've completed the treatment here. As you can see, we've had some vessel changes in her leg, which is exactly what we want to see. So over the course of the next 2 weeks, her body's going to eat it up, and then we're going to come back and do another treatment. It will take a series of a few, so if you come in, I just want you to know that due to the velocity of the and the pressure, pardon me, that it does take a few times to do your legs. But I'm more than happy to take care of you, and come on in and we can measure them and make sure that it's something that we can accomplish, and we'll work together to get it done. So I thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. And until then, give me a call. We do all kinds of things for the holiday. We even have gift certificates available. So if you want to book anything, it's www.libraaestheticsandwellness.com. You can schedule. You can come in anytime and just pick up gift certificates. We also do IV infusions and intramuscular vitamins. So come on in and see us. Thanks so much. See you next week.